Ah ha ha ha, ah ha 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 ha, ah ha ha ha, ah ha 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 ha. A Hijri New Year starts with sacred Muharram. On the 10th of Muharram, we have day of Ashura. Then comes month of Safar, and the third is Rabi al-Awwal. Rasul born in this month, bringing light to mankind. Fourth is Rabiul Akhir, fifth is Jamad al-Ula, and month Jamad al-Akhir comes as sixth in Hijri. Sacred Rajab is seventh, eighth month is Shaban, holy month of Ramadan, the ninth month of Hijri, a month you repent for sins, and a month of fasting. Jibreel sent by Allah brought the Quran down to earth. Then comes first of Shawwal, feast of Eidul Fitr. Follows Mandul Qada, the final month is Dhul Hajj. From the first to 9th day, the Muslims perform their Hajj. After 9th Arafah, 10th is feast of Bakrid. A new month has started when we see a new moon. This is a Hijri year, the global Muslim calendar. La 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 la. La 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 la